10 easy ways to tell similar animals apart. The way to tell apart a crocodile from an alligator is by the shape of their snouts. Crocodiles have a V-shaped snout that is narrow and pointed, while alligators have a U-shaped snout that is broader and more rounded. The way to tell apart a parrot from a parakeet is by their size. Parrots are generally larger than parakeets, and often have distinctive crests on their heads. The way to tell apart a sparrow from a white eye is by the markings around their eyes. White eyes have white rings around their eyes, which is a clear difference from sparrows. The way to tell apart a wolf from a dog is by the position of their tails. Wolves usually keep their tails low and straight, while dogs often carry their tails up. The way to tell apart a goat from a sheep is by their fur texture. Goats have short and coarse fur, whereas sheep have long and soft wool. The way to tell apart a bee from a fly is by their waists. Bees have distinct waists, but flies have almost no waists. The way to tell apart male and female birds is by their color. In many species, males have brighter colors, while females tend to have duller colors. The way to tell apart a rose from a camellia is by their flower shapes. Roses have many petals, while camellias have relatively fewer petals. The way to tell apart a butterfly from a moth is by their antennae. Butterflies have club-shaped antennae, whereas moths have feathered antennae. The way to tell apart a fox from a coyote is by their body size and ear shape. Coyotes are generally larger than foxes and have more pointed ears.